Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport to answer a question about the AMG GLB 35. I did a video on this model recently and had somebody ask a question on how you launch this model, because I did do that in the video. Nothing major, nothing complicated. Basically all you do is hold the brake down, mat the gas, and let go of the brake. The one caveat to this, if you want to get the most performance, is to make sure that the boost is at about the halfway point when you launch. That way you get the best experience possible. If you want to see more tutorials, tell me exactly what they are and I will make that happen for you. Thanks to my friends here at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport for the use of the dealership, and all of you for being kind enough to take the time to watch. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.